The infamous Port Henderson Road in St. Catherine could soon lose its moniker Back Road. This as the authorities are planning to rebrand the popular strip, which is known to attract sex workers. As Kalisha Williams reports, there are proposals to transform the area into an entertainment and tourism hub.
For years, this section of Port Henderson Road has been known to many as Back Road, one of the main entrances to Portmore when trying to evade traffic in the busy town centers. It is also a prime spot for sex workers and other illegal activities.
When you are coming in from Kingston, and if you are going to certain part of Portmore, this is where you have to travel. So we have to make certain that our gateway is in good order. We have seen a lot of activities along the back road.
But if Member of Parliament for South East St. Catherine Robert Miller has his way, Back Road could soon be placed on the front burner.
I'm also given the title in Parliament by my colleague Julian Robinson, Back Road MP. But it's my intention to rebrand the area, reposition the area.
Speaking in Portmore recently, Mr. Miller stressed that the focus will be placed on tourism and entertainment.
And ensure that anybody from anywhere in Jamaica and the world can come around here and get some good food and get some good arts and some live music at any time of the day. And that's my intention.
Now, although he did not give a timeline for the initiative, Mr. Miller said the project will start at the New Forum Fishing Village.
In the sense that we would like persons to come to New Forum and have a good fish and sit in peace and harmony.
Mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, has commended Mr. Miller for the idea, but believes it must be done in partnership with the municipal corporation.
So it's not only the MP. We are going to invite you, Mr. MP, to the table that all of us can sit to develop Portmore and other sections of Portmore for the benefit of our citizens.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.